Hey guys, welcome back. Today I'm showing you the fastest way to share your mobile screen to your laptop super easy and no extra apps needed. Step 1. Enable wireless display on your Windows laptop. First, open Windows Settings and click on System. On the left panel, select Projecting to this PC. If the Projecting to this PC option is grayed out, go to Optional Features first. Click Add a Feature, search for Wireless Display, and hit Install. Wait until the wireless display feature installs successfully. Once that's done, go back to Projecting to this PC. Now go ahead and select the options shown here. Once you're done, click on Launch the Connect app to project to this PC. Step 2. Turn on wireless display on your Android phone. First, unlock your phone and swipe down. Open Settings, go to Connected Devices, and turn on Cast Screencast or Smart View depending on your phone model. Some phones may also ask you to enable wireless display, so make sure that's switched on too. Once you see your desktop name and wireless display, just tap it, wait a few seconds for the connection, and boom! Your mobile screen is now mirrored on your laptop instantly. For the best connection, keep your phone and laptop on the same Wi-Fi network. This gives you smoother mirroring and almost zero lag. To disable Cast, Screencast, Smart View, or Screen Mirroring, just turn the feature off. Just click on Disconnect, and that's it. The easiest and fastest way to share your mobile screen with your laptop. No cables, no apps, just built-in features. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more quick tech tips. Thanks for watching.